Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, including any special deals, can be found in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Keeper Password Manager. Keeper Password Manager Review, a user's perspective. Keeper Password Manager is your go-to solution for secure and streamlined password management. It's designed for individuals, families, and businesses looking for robust security without sacrificing user-friendliness. From its polished interface to its powerful security features, Keeper has firmly established itself as a leading password manager. Let me explain why. Security is Keeper's most impressive attribute. It utilizes zero-knowledge encryption, which means not even Keeper can access your sensitive data. Coupled with two-factor authentication and a dark web monitoring feature that notifies you of any compromised credentials, Keeper goes beyond simple password storage to actively protect your information. Usability is another key strength. Keeper makes generating, storing, and autofilling passwords effortless across all your devices. Its browser extension integrates perfectly with popular browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Edge, while the mobile app keeps you covered on the move. The intuitive folder system allows for efficient organization of your logins, and sharing passwords securely with family or colleagues is a breeze. For businesses, Keeper offers advanced features like role-based permissions, activity reporting, and compliance management tools, empowering you to maintain robust security protocols. Families can benefit from features like shared vaults, simplifying the management of logins for streaming services, shared accounts, and more. Keeper's pricing is also competitive. It offers flexible plans, from individual subscriptions to family and enterprise-level options, allowing you to choose the features you need without breaking the bank. In conclusion, Keeper Password Manager blends top-tier security, a user-friendly design, and advanced features suitable for both individuals and organizations. If you prioritize peace of mind when managing your online credentials, Keeper is an excellent choice. Explore the links in the description to learn more or start your Keeper journey today. Thanks for watching this review. I'll see you in the next video.